Have you been making mistakes with of, and from in your sentences? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break down the difference and show you exactly when to use them in sentences, okay? Now, we will start with of, and I'll pick out some questions here as our examples. We use of to show belonging, or relationship between two things in a sentence. We also use it to show part of something, to show that something belongs to another. Okay, now let's pick out the questions here that the answers will be of. The first one is number 2. The roof blank the house needs repair. We can say the roof of the house needs repair. What this means is that roof belongs to the house. So this is about belonging. We are talking about the relationship between the roof and the house. So of is the correct preposition. The next is number 5. A group blank students waited outside the hall. Here we are talking about part of something. We have a group here and we have students. Students are in a group. So this is about part of something. So of is correct here. A group of students waited outside the hall. Number 8. The pages blank this book are missing. Here we have pages and book. The pages belong to the book. So it's about belonging. So of is correct. The pages of this book are missing. 11. One blank my classmates won the competition. Here we are talking about part of something. Part of something. We have one here and classmates. So when we use of here, it means that one is part of my classmates. I'm referring to one out of all of them. Okay, so it's about part of something. Let's look at the next one, of. Do you know exactly when to use it in a sentence? We use it to show disconnection. Disconnection from something, or removal. When something is removed from another. Also use it to show separation. It can also be used to show that something is not operating. Not operating. Especially when it has to do with electronics. So use of when talking about all of these. Now let's pick out the questions here that we can use as our examples for of. Our first example is number 1. Please take your shoes blank before entering. Here we are talking about removing shoe. It's about removal. Of is correct here. You are being asked to take your shoes off. That means you should remove your shoes. The next is number 4. The painting fell blank the wall during the storm. This is also about removal or separation. Here, the painting is separated from the wall. So, off. The painting fell off the wall during the storm. It means the painting is no longer on the wall. The next is number 7. Turn blank the fan before leaving the room. Here we are talking about an electronic. So we use of here Turn off the fan before leaving the room. It means you should disconnect the fan. Disconnection. Next is number 10. He quickly wiped the dust, blank the table. Here we are talking about removal. Removing the dust from the table. So off is correct preposition here. He quickly wiped the dust off the table. Now let's look at the next one, which is from. We use from to show source or origin of something or someone. We can also use it to show starting point of something. So when talking about all of these, use from. Now let's answer the remaining questions to understand better when to use from in a sentence, okay? First is number 3. I received a message blank my teacher yesterday. Here we are talking about message, and it's all about the source of the message. Where is the source of the message? So we use from here to show that it came from the teacher. I received a message from my teacher yesterday. Next is number 6. She borrowed some money blank her sister from her sister, and this shows source, or let's say origin of the money. She borrowed some money from her sister. Next is number 9. Where are you blank? This is a question used to know someone's origin. So we say, where are you from? Next is number 12. This gift is blank my uncle in Canada. From my uncle in Canada. This shows source also. It came from my uncle in Canada. Now the last one, what I want you to do for me is make your own sentence in the comment section using any of these prepositions, okay? The boy jumped blank the moving bus before it stopped. It says that the boy is away, or let's say he is separated from the moving bus. He is no longer in the moving bus because he jumped away. So what should we use here? Off. The boy jumped off the moving bus before it stopped. We have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch out for the next one.